Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. No longer will you let your mattress steal your sleep. I need to know right now in that comments box below, do you make your bed right when you wake up in the morning? Or are you team, I ain't making my bed, girl. It is all comfy, cozy, and a disaster when I get into it. I prefer that. Let me know down below. And did you know mattresses have one of the highest markups when it comes to things that you can purchase other than regular old furniture? Yes, my friend, they making buco money on those mattresses. So how is your mattress stealing your sleep other than if it's completely uncomfortable? Here's what happens. If you are team, I make my bed right when I wake up in the morning, you may be wanting to give yourself a pat on the back. But here's the problem. When you make your bed right when you wake up in the morning, what happens to your sheets in your mattress? Can you guess? The heat, the sweat, the dead skin gets trapped inside of these covers during your slumber. And then what happens, because it's moist and warm in there, bacteria builds up faster, causing this to stink, causing you to potentially have allergies faster or at an increased rate. So what are some things that you can do? Certainly use a mattress protector. I have one right under there. I do recommend that. I have a ton of videos about how to remove any sort of mattress stain. Also, what you want to do is make sure that you sanitize your mattress every couple of months. I love using rubbing alcohol. Hydrogen peroxide works very well. Flip your mattress every few months. So when should you make your bed after rising? I like to wait at least an hour so that these can totally air out. The problem with not letting it air out is we often cannot smell ourselves. You ever went someplace and someone stinks and you think to yourself, wow, he or she does not smell good, but they probably have no idea. You and I could be that person if we're leaving the stank and the sweat drenched in here in your blankets. Take you into my boys' room right here. Sometimes they make their beds, sometimes they do not. By the way, these beddies are absolutely amazing. If you hate fitted sheets and you want things to look nice, I have a coupon code for you in the description box below. But I also will wait at least an hour if they have not made their bed. Let these air out and then I will zip them back up and decorate them. Oh, and I almost forgot one of my secret tricks to make things always smell fresh. I like to go in here with a little Febreze while things are airing out, spray it just over there. And why does this work so well? You can see on the back here, the first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is alcohol, and that's what's going to kill that bacteria. How about some sodium citrate? Yes, that's commonly found in a lot of household items. If you don't love this, certainly use some essential oil paired with some sort of rubbing alcohol and water solution. Right along with this, you might be asking yourself, Andrew, how often should I be washing my sheets? That's totally dependent upon you and your sleeping. How many of you sweat profusely while you sleep and you wake up in cold sweats or hot sweats, or maybe you sweat throughout the night but you have no idea because when you wake up in the morning, you've been dried off. So I would say once a week to every other week, just depending upon what your body's doing while you sleep. And if you're looking for some amazing pillow washing tips and tricks, I will link that video in the description box below. Now, knowing these little tips and tricks, you will definitely be able to sleep better and you will likely feel better. Now, if you're wondering why you should dump baking soda on your mattress, click this video on screen now or this one right here. Give this a thumbs up and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.